It's April 22nd on a Monday, and we just got a notification that there is a package downstairs across the street in the shop, and so we're gonna go down there and show you what it is. Follow me along, we'll go check it out. Alright, we're at the garage. There it is. The fuel safe 10-gallon fuel cell. We're gonna bring this into the shop and then open it up.
With lady's mouth. Never take anything out of her mouth. A lady is not a baby. She is taller. A lady is much taller than she was when the day before she was born.
Let's go, guys. Man, carrying this with one hand. It's funny they use their foam for. Okay, I mean I could be wrong. Here it is. I don't know if you guys have seen this damage, but.
Exactly. We went too hard, and then we didn't go hard enough. No gas.
What we plan on doing, since this last wall tap last weekend, is from right here, we're cutting off quarter panel, and then from the frame rail, we're gonna chop off the back. Here is our Aeromotive fuel pump. So, we're in Seattle, we're in my apartment. Today is Thursday, and we are heading to San Diego. So, we gotta change the oil in the truck, we gotta change the fuel filter, the air filter. We're gonna go up to James Goldman's house, we're gonna go pick up his flatbed trailer, we're gonna give him some money to rent this trailer. We're gonna drive down to San Diego. Gonna see you soon, Dustin. This is for, actually wait, this is for you. This is for you. And is that good? Right there. Hey, what's up? Zach in Zwing HQ garage here. And how's the audio sound? Pretty good? We're gonna be getting the F-150 ready. What? We went to O'Reilly's. Oh crap, the Prolong. Okay, so we went to O'Reilly's. Okay, you can bring the mic up now. Have a shot. I just love seeing Chris hold a boom mic. There you go. All right, so went to O'Reilly's. First, we're gonna start with changing the air filter. Okay, we're gonna pop the hood. Wow, that looks really nice and easy. Let's pull out this old filter. Looks like we got some. There we go. Guy helping us out. Next step is we're gonna change the fuel filter. I've already grabbed a fuel line quick disconnect tool. Got some glasses, got a rag. Now we're gonna go under the car. It's an F-150, you don't have to jack it up, which is nice. All right, so we've verified that this is indeed the correct fuel filter. At least it definitely looks like it is. So that's reassuring. I went to O'Reilly's and the guy read SOHC when we were looking up the part, and he said, "Oh, is your F-150 the supercharged one?" And I said, "That's a single overhead cam, sir." So I was a little concerned. Right. Oh, my fucking ear! Got the new fuel filter. Just clips in. See how dirty.
There's always some content.
See how dirty it is. Imagine driving like cross country with this fuel filter. That is disgusting. Alright, we got our oil filter grabber. Get on, boy. Before you ever put an oil filter on, you always want to coat the inside with a little bit of oil. Tighten this up. That .02 or whatever else left, this is probably half a quart, but will be taken up with Prolong engine treatment. My dad swears by this stuff. And it states on here, free lifetime engine warranty. So if my motor blows up, Prolong's got my back. This isn't an advertisement, by the way. They've done tests with these things where they took all the oil out of the car and they just poured this in and they ran the motor for like several hours or something like that. Some crazy people in Seattle. Alright, last thing we want to do before we leave is we're going to change the hitch out. John to the vlog. John is the man. Alright, John. Keep these streets safe.
You can feel the floor underneath our feet. Fire shouts through my chest as you watch me bleed. Every kick, drum hit is a symphony. Every push of your curves is the air I breathe. You speak, I am listening. Sweat rolls, girl, you're glistening. Slow-mo, pull me into the light, the light. There are people watching us, wishing they were obvious, instead of giving in to the fright, the fright. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I'd swim the ocean, dance with the devil.
GH5 Live. Alright.
Yeah.
What?
You tapped it pretty hard, huh?
Yeah. We have to cut off the entire rear end.
Really?
Yeah.
So like, is the alignment jacked up or is it just kind of behind the...
No. As far as drivability, it drives in a straight line. Like, nothing like suspension-wise broke. It's purely like cosmetic and frame damage. Yeah. But I mean, frame damage is a big deal.
One worth dying for if you saw her shake. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. You are glistening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. I am listening. We can feel the flow underneath our feet. That's my bad boy. Run through the fire. I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home. Run through the fire, I walk the wire. I would sell everything I own. I swim the ocean, dance with the devil. I'd sell my soul to take you home.
We made it to Taco Bell.
hours away from San Jose. From 3 a.m. till now, I took 2 30-minute naps. It's about 8 p.m. It's golden hour right now. I figured I'd take advantage of it. We're meeting up with Christian Ngo and Nikita, and we're gonna go grab a drink, just hang out, catch up, and I'm gonna probably catch 3 hours of sleep before waking up and driving to LA, because I gotta be there by 1 p.m. to meet up with Amelia Hartford, and hopefully we're gonna find a place to get a chance to unload the E36 off the trailer, and we're gonna let her take it for a rip. So, and we're gonna meet up with our buddy James Baxter, who is a super talented photographer. Last time I saw him was in Savannah, Georgia for Solo. Goodness gracious, this was a long drive.
What's good, my brother? Glad you made it, dude. You must be fucking tired. Dude, this is rad. Holy shit.